Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you want to change the username of your Taobao account and you don't know how to do it, watch this video till the end and you will find out. So to begin with, you need to open your Taobao application on your device. Once you open the application, at the bottom menu, you need to tap on account. So once you select account, here at the top right corner, you will find the settings option. So you need to tap on the settings. It will bring you to this setting menu. From here, you need to choose account and security. So once you tap on account and security, it will bring you here. And as you can see, Taobao account, that is exactly your username. So you need to tap on that. It will bring you here. And before changing the username, you should keep that in mind. The username is the user's unique identifier. It can only be changed once a year. So if you change it now, you will have to wait for another 1 year. So guys, you need to change it wisely. You need to select your username wisely as well. So I will tap on change username and you will go through all this. They write it down that you can change it only once a year. So if you want to go through it, read it. But if you're okay with it, you need to just tap on I am aware and confirm the change. So you need to tap on this option. So guys, once you tap on that option, it is advised not to use private information such as ID numbers or phone numbers. So you need to select 5 to 25 character. It can have digits as well, I guess. And you can, once you choose your username, then just tap on save. So I will choose a username first. So guys, I choose a username. You can do the same. It is depend on your preference. Once you choose that, all you need to do is to tap on save. So once you tap on save, it will ask you again, confirm changing your username to this, and then you need to tap on confirm. And now I will go back to account and security. And as you can see now, the account username has been changed. So guys, this is how you can change your username on Taobao application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.